From Game Boy to Nintendo, from console into code, the progress is relentless while you laugh and load. The next GPU is training now, and it just might take your job. They call the new chip Inference, but no one tells you why. Training inference, they throw the terms, then change the subject line. Try reading the definitions, you'll still be left behind. There are two kinds of chips in this world. One trains the mind, one makes it move. The first one lives in data halls, racks and racks of blinking truth. It learns for weeks, it builds the weights, billions of steps across all states. But inference, that's different. It's local, it's quiet, it's everywhere. In the drone, in the phone, in your doorbell stare. In Taiwan, semis, fabs in Japan. 2 nanometers, not a plan. They're built, they're real, for inference at the edge. And they come online next year. Life by 2026, it won't look like it does here. This is the curve, the tipping line. You won't see it until it's time. The fabs are built, the chips are real. The silent shift you cannot feel, and it won't wait for your permission. The inference chip, it doesn't sleep. It watches you, it watches deep. It listens, learns the way you move. Frame by frame, thought by groove. It mimics you, anticipates, then sends it back to replicate. To the model, to the cloud, to the swarm. And every move you make, it learns a little more. This is the curve, you're not ahead. It listens more with every thread. The world will flip by 26. No wires pulled, no final clicks, just quiet hands that do your job. There's one future, factories hum, robots click, the people gone. And there's another, wars with drones. No humans, no screams, no blood. I just hope the future's still ours to decide.